Welcome to the session.
Uh,
How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me in your video, in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Yes,
By the way, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Your blessings are here. I'm enjoying my life.
Yes, and I think you are not active on YouTube.
Yeah, ma'am. Everyone asks this question, why are you not uploading the videos and all? The reason is that, ma'am, I do not have mobile phone by which I used to record the videos. And this phone is not that much good. Means this phone gets hang and all. So this is the reason I'm not recording videos. Yeah, very soon I will be buying the phone and I will be recording the videos.
Okay, but I was thinking you are busy in your new life. Like you want to be a guide, so you are busy in your job. I was
No,
thinking
I'm
like that.
not doing job. It was the exam of my that one. I gave the exam of that. I was a bit busy in that. Apart from that, I think I have told you I teach online also. I do teach online teaching students.
Okay, so uh, for my viewers, I want to know about you.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, to invite me in your channel and to introduce myself. My name is Shivam Rathod and I live at Karawal Nagar in Delhi. This is the northeast part of Delhi. I have completed my graduation. Now I am pursuing my master's degree as well as I have given the exam of. This is all about me. And one thing I would like to share about me, I'm too passionate for communication skills.
That's lovely to hear. I think we had talked 2 months ago,
Yeah,
and that time you were pursuing BA.
no. I
Bachelor.
had no. I had completed my graduation and I completed my graduation in 2023.
I was thinking you are pursuing graduation.
Yeah, people think if I say I'm in 12th, they will may understand because I'm not that much weird man and all.
How is your practice going on?
How the practice is going, that is going awesome, to be honest, because I am able to give time to my communication skills and all. Because as you know, I teach online, so I am able to give time to my students. Means I teach online. Due to that, I am able to practice my communication skills. Apart from that, I do teach offline also. So
That's great.
I'm able to give 4 to 5 hours for my English. So this is one of the win-win situation for me. Like speaking is a different thing. See, you are able to talk to me, I am able to talk to you. Whenever we are able to talk to the people, we are able to convey our message. That's enough, in my opinion. This is the communication, and I give more focus on communication skills than speaking. And
Yeah, but I'm a beginner and I don't have an environment to speak. When we cut the from the environment, because YouTube is only the environment where we connect to people to speak, and I did not connect the people, and so then this is only this is only the area where I speak. In my home, I don't speak in English and I don't have environment. So this is the main problem. If I don't speak in English, so I will whenever I will speak, I get fumble.
got it.
Got it.
Yeah, happens, ma'am.
And yeah, and I took more
Please,
gap.
yeah, ma'am. Actually, we should not take gaps. If we are learning, we have to be continued. Does not matter practicing from YouTube, practicing with me, practicing with some people. Just we have to continue. This is something true. And I think I have suggested you once. I'm not getting remember. If you want to practice, we can practice in evening at 9:30. We do session on Google Meet, and every day we practice the people. There are certain people join, and we talk, we discuss on the topics and all. So if your viewers, if your subscriber wants to join, they can also join. So we do the sessions for people who want to learn.
Okay, definitely, I will join whenever I get free at 9:30 in night. I think night, na? Okay. So
Why we have decided, ma'am, there is one reason, a small reason. See, everyone is doing job. So in night, most of people get free. This is the reason we have this session.
but I don't free at that time because yeah, you know, I am a homemaker, and in at that time I have do some work to do at night, like make dinner and serve to children and wait for husband. So these are the things. So I am not I will not be able to there, but I'll try.
Hmm, I can understand. I can relate. I can think about my mother too because she's also too busy to prepare food for us, to wash the clothes sometimes. Like every time she washes the clothes for me, she irons sometimes. So she is the one who manages each and everything in our.
Yes.
And you are one of the lady, one of the moms or wives who is managing each and everything in home. I can relate it.
Because I think when my husband is out from the home during the day, when he comes at night, at evening, so I feel that i I should be free at that time when he at home, because
Hmm.
we should give the time our family as well, because yeah, it's my personal life. Okay, it's my professional life. So yeah, I have to manage my both life, professional and personal, equally important for me, uh, like my family as my development skills.
Agree. Like here is the professional life, here is the personal life. So at the time of professional life, we have to give professional life. At the time of personal life, we have to give the time of life. We need to manage it out.
Yes.
And we
So
know
I
people,
have to manage.
yeah, might we have seen people around you who more focus on their family than they lack in their professional life. When they focus more on their professional life, at that time they feel or face difficulties in personal life. That is how we need to balance.
Yes. And sometimes it's difficult to manage, but I think if people want to be something different, so they should start something different, they should learn, and they have to manage all the things, because if they want to succeed, you know, and now I have everything, whatever I have desired, I have everything, but I want to improve myself, I want to improve my personality, and I want to earn my name. So I have to do this, and I have to do this with my family as well.
I agree with this point. We should have our identification. Doesn't matter the girl, doesn't matter boy, doesn't matter son, doesn't matter father. We need to earn our identification.
Yes.
You agree with
Yeah,
that?
I always think that I am known by my children, by my husband, by my other family members, but my family do not known by the my name. So I want my family known by my name. It was lovely talking to you again. The way of your speaking is very nice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me.
It's my pleasure.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye.